Let's get ready to rumble!
Okay, in this video, we're going to be looking at family trees. We are going to see that this is the grandparents. These are the children, Ron and Anna, Harry and Lucy. Do you notice that they're connected with a marriage line across, and then we have lines that go down to the specific children, and usually this is the oldest child, and Lucy would be the youngest, not one. Now, Ron is married to Sam, okay? Females are circles, okay? And the squares are males. And we can see that this is a 3-generation family pedigree, okay?
Mischievous and deceitful, chicanerous and deplorable.
What is cystic fibrosis? Well, it's a recessive inherited disorder. So that means that the males, okay, you see they're the ones who are affected, and there are some females that are also affected as well, okay? These are female carriers, okay, and this must be a carrier. So is this an X-linked inheritance, or is it possibly a recessive, an autosomal?
Did I stutter?
Just then? Yes.
Okay, so we're going to be representing this by F's. So a capital F means you do not have the disease, and 2 small f's means that you do. So we're going to assume this is autosomal, and the reason why is that because we see both males and females that have, let's just say, a half shaded, that must mean that they're actually carriers themselves. So remember, autosomal means in chromosomes 1 through 22. All right, number 23 is the sex chromosomes. So this is for heterozygous is 1 big, 1 small. Homozygous recessive is 2 small, and 2 large letters are homozygous dominant. Now, a carrier has, 1 of each. So we know that they're carriers.
Back, baby, back, baby, back, baby, back, baby, back, ribs. I want my baby back, baby, back, baby, back, baby, back.
So how would this work out? Well, we would have, for this one, 1 big, 1 small f. We know that we could place 1 big, 1 small in each one of these boxes that has it. The one that's circled has to have 2 small f's. Now,
Are you crazy? Is that your problem?
for Jenny and Paul, remember he has 1 big, 1 small, to have children that don't have it, Ron and Harry, and Anna and Lucy have it, that means most likely Jenny is also, well, she can't be heterozygous, so she has to have 2 capital letters here.
I taught school for 20 years in the inner city, so don't even think about messing with me.
All right? So if we're using F's, 2 capital F's, 1 capital, 1 small. But that still means that Lucy could have 1 big, 1 small F, and so could Anna. And yet Ron and Harry could have 2 big F's. All right, so they're not carriers at all. So any of their descendants, okay, all right, as far as Ron and Harry, okay, should not necessarily have the disease, but still could be carriers. Let's take a look at Ryan. He's a perfect example. While he's not a member of the family, he married Anna. Now, Anna does carry it. So she has a big F and a small f right here. Okay, Ryan has 2 big F's. So that means that they can have carriers as children. All right, so hopefully this is a good beginning to what family trees and pedigrees are all about.
Can you fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.